All right, who do we have here? Who are you?
I'm here.
Who are you?
Namrata.
Who are you?
Nali.
What are we doing today?
Skydive.
Jumping out of an airplane with strangers.
Yes.
You trust me to throw you out?
Yep.
You're crazy. Whose idea was this?
Mine.
So it's your fault if this goes wrong, huh? Any last words, final comments, confessions?
Nope.
Nothing.
See you on the ground.
Yeah? You ready for this? For me, it's always the same every time. Take the computer, tablet, phone, burn it all. Bury that stuff in the desert. The wife can have everything else. High fives all the way around. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah. Woohoo! All right, you ready for this?
Yep.
Let's go get in, get up, get out of this thing, blast off, have some fun in the sky. High five. Here we go. Pretty fun, right?
Yep, very fast.
Pull the right one down. Woo, you like that?
Yeah.
Good job.
I like crazy.
You did a great What do you think of that?
It was perfect.
High five, dude. You did great. Next time I'll let you open the parachute. Thanks for coming out.